Yeah, right up there for importance and sheer will and Welsh passion and everything like that. And no, so it's a fantastic point, and it keeps the momentum going, and it's been a really good start to the group.
A better point than the one last year, really, because this really means something, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course, and we knew that. I mean, 2 different points. Last year we came with a load of players missing, but it was still a fantastic performance. But tonight was, it was different, and yes, it's a massive point, and I think you could see the scenes at the end. We weren't sort of over celebrating, or the job is far from done, but that meant a lot tonight to a lot of people, and it's a fantastic night for us.
It's the best start to a group since Wales almost got there in 2004, but after 4 games, Wales didn't win a game after that. There's still plenty of work for you to do, isn't there?
Well, of course, and we've got our targets, and we know there's a lot of football left to be played, but so far the job that's been asked of us, we've sort of stood up to it and done well, and I think there's been different aspects to our performances, and it makes such a difference, and it just feels slightly different this time with the optimism around back home, and you can see the support we've had tonight. It feels different, and we always said, I've said for you many times, if we can start a group and get a bit of momentum, we could be a tough force to stop, and we've got that, and I think you can see at the end there's a group of people that are desperate to hold on to that and make sure that we're the first people to do it in a long time. But having said that, there's so much work to do. We're not even halfway there yet. Thank you. Cheers.